Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, 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 Dawn. Oh, he had a long walk again.
He's making funny noises.
What is he?
Look at him. He's coming daft now.
He's got a little walk, eh?
Look at Gizmo.
Not even want a treat. Really? What about his dog? What's the matter with you?
Gizmo's just wiggling his tail.
What is going on with you? Oh, June. Oh.
He's struck when he got straight back down. Look at the legs.
Oh. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Look at Gizmo.
He's a good boy. Look
at this ball. I think we should take them for longer walks more often. Look at the state of them.
Oh, what is that he's
What do you do?
What is he doing? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, Daddy's a good boy.
He's keep making funny noises.
Oh. 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 What is that? What is that? What is that?
Could knock things over.
Oh, stretch your bum, stretch your bum. Stretch your bum.
What's Gizzy doing getting his face smacked in?
Oh. What did you manage?
Look at it, look Gizzy.
What did you do?
He's just a moth, isn't he? He's just like a wig on legs.
Oh, yes, oh, yes.
What's he doing? Look at Gizzy. Wave your hand in front of Gizzy so you can get Gizzy to do that thing. I can't say for Charlie. Charlie, you're hitting him. Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
He's just like running away from you.
He's rubbing his hands. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Dead dog.
Oh, yes.
He's not much of a dog, is he? Look at him.
No, he's got a little.
Look at him. Look at his little legs.
What did you manage?
Because he can't get up.
Oh. What did you manage? He's doing it again. Oh, look, right.
Hi, fat man. Hello. Felix.
He's not interested in him.
Hello. He's like, what are you looking at?
He's horrible, isn't he? He's trying to see back on you when he's...
Evil old man, aren't you? My wicked old man.
I'm playing if you say me too. Oh. What are you going to do with your life? What?
This Felix.
Oh.
What's this?
What are you going to do?
Come on, Lexi Fuzz.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
He's going to eat his knee. He's eating his knee.
Oh, John. Oh. Oh.
What sad people we are with Anne Robinson on the TV. Give! Kitty! Kitty, give! Turn the dog round. It's isn't it? Charlie, isn't it?
Not anointed.
Probably complaining his feet are hurting.
Oh, John.
He hasn't been on a walk that long in ages.
Oh.
He's dead again. Upside downy dog.
It's a good boy.
Hey kids.
I'm not allowed to make noises like that in Marmory. I'm not the baby one and all this. Not a kid.
Which one, Gizzy or Charlie?
Charlie?
Batman. Hey, yeah. Look at the look he's given me. Rachel. Rachel, look at the look he's given me. You can't do it. He's just ignoring you completely.